Dear student, today we are in our question number 7.19. Discuss the molecular shape of BRF3, bromine trifluoride, on the basis of BSEBr3. The central atom bromine has 7 electrons in the valence shell. 3 of these will be form electron pair bond with 3 fluorine atom, leaving behind 4 electrons. The bromine has 7 electrons in outermost orbit. Out of 7, 3 is bonded with the fluorine. Remaining are 4. It means 2 lone pair and 3 bonding pair. So bonding pair is 3, lone pair 2, so total value is 5. So sp3d hybridization occurs. Now actually shape of it is T, but repulsion between lone pair is more than bonding pair and bonding pair. So slightly it is bent, T-shaped. T-shape, you can see this is T-shape, but bent T-shape occurs here due to repulsion of 2 lone pairs. Thus the 3 bond pair and 2 lone pair, according to BSEBr3, this will occupy the corner of the trigonal bipyramidal. Yes, you can see which is trigonal bipyramidal shape arrangement of electrons. The 2 lone pair will occupy the equatorial position. Axial कहेवाय, equatorial कहेवाय. On equatorial position, to minimize lone pair and this bond pair, lone pair વચ્ચેનો repulsion less થાય. અને અહીંયા highest હશે lone pair નો repulsion, which are greater than bond pair and bond pair. અને bonding pair વચ્ચે repulsion કરતા lone pair વચ્ચે વધારે હોય. In addition, the axial fluorine atoms will be bent toward the equatorial fluorine in order to minimize the lone pair repulsion. The lone pair નો repulsion less કરવા અને ધક્કો મારશે. So slightly it will be bent up. The shape would be that of a slightly bent up. તેનો shape વળેલો જોવા મળશે, which is bent up. Now uses of interhalogen compound. This compound can be used as a non-aqueous solvent. આપણે વોટરમાં કોઈ સબસ્ટેન્સ ડિઝોલ્વ કરીએ તો solvent is water, which is polar, non-aqueous. ClF3, BrF3 type of liquid when we take, so which is a non-aqueous solvent. જ્યારે પાણીનો સોલ્વેન્ટ તરીકે યુઝ ના હોય એવી જગ્યાએ નોન એક્વિયસ સોલ્વેન્ટ લેવું હોય તો interhalogen compound very useful. Interhalogen compound also useful as a fluorinating agent. ClF3 and BrF3 are used for the production of UF6 in the uranium. When we pass ClF3, it gives UF6 and ClF3 mole. Enrichment એટલે જમીનમાં યુરેનિયમ 235 અને 238 both હોય, isotopes mixture હોય. આપણે એમાંથી in the reactor uranium 235 is important. So first of all, both convert into uranium hexafluoride. This is slightly heavier than this one. પછી ગ્રેહામની ટ્યુબ હતી, આપણે એને પાસ કરીએ એટલે આનું માસ લેસ હોય એટલે એની વેલોસિટી હાઈ અને વેલોસિટી લેસ. આ રીતે એને સેપરેટ કરી અને પ્યોર યુરેનિયમ 235 મેળવી શકાય. યસ, એટલે આ રીતેના પ્યુરિફિકેશન માટે એટલે 238 વાળું યુરેનિયમ હોય એમાંથી 235 વાળું રિમૂવ કરવા માટે, વિચ ઇઝ વેરી યુઝફુલ. નાઉ નેક્સ્ટ in-text question. Why is ICl more reactive than I2? Iodine करता I2 less reactive છે because of iodine and chlorine bond is weak and polar. So polar bond easily breaks then completely covalent bond. ICl bond, the bond between iodine and chlorine is polar. Electronegativity of chlorine is high, electronegativity of iodine is less. So bond is polar. Chlorine is partially positive, iodine partially, chlorine partially negative, iodine partially positive. So polar bond easily breaks. Here completely covalent bond. Electron offsetting are in middle of both atom, and iodine is non-polar by nature. You can see why is ICl more reactive than I2. ICl bond in iodine chlorine is weaker than II bond in I2, therefore ICl is more reactive. Now today we are going to start our last group, group number 18. Group number 18, noble gas elements of the group number 18, last group of the P block. In the P block 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon and oxygen, OG, man-made helium, neon, argon, krypton, radon and oxygen, OG, which is man-made artificial element. Atomic number is 118 of oxygen. Group 18 consists of element helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon and oxygen. All these are gases, chemically unreactive. Why? Outermost orbit is completely filled. Helium 2, in the neon 2s2, 2p6. In rest of the element except helium, configuration outermost is ns2 and p6, means 8 electron is completed. So no need to gain or lose any kind of electrons, so which is inert by nature. All these gases are chemically unreactive because of completed octet. Because of this આ બધા inert છે, non-reactive છે, એટલે which is called noble gases. Noble gases mean inert gases, non-reactive gases, કોઈ પણ solid નથી. આ group number 18 elements છે, we are not classifying metal, non-metal, semi-metal, નહીં, એ અલગ જ છે. Which are different. All these gases except radon and oxygen. Radon અને oxygen સિવાય occur in the atmosphere. Radon અને oxygen સિવાયના બધા આપણી એરમાં, એટમોસ્ફિયરમાં, અર્થ ક્રસ્ટ ઉપર જે લેયર ઓફ એર છે એમાંથી મળે છે. Their atmospheric abundance in dry air is around about 1% by volume, of which argon is the major constituent. આપણા એટમોસ્ફિયરનું જે ટોટલ વોલ્યુમ છે એમાં રાઉન્ડ અબાઉટ 1% નોબલ ગેસીસ હોય છે. એમાં મેક્સિમમ એમાઉન્ટ ઓફ આર્ગોન છે. Helium and sometimes neon are found in minerals of radioactive origins. હિલિયમ અને નિયોન છે એ જમીનના અર્થ ક્રસ્ટમાં જે મિનરલ્સ હોય છે તેમાંથી પણ હિલિયમ નિયોન મળી આવે છે. Example of that origin radioactive minerals: pitchblende, monazite, underline it, pitchblende, monazite, clevite. The main commercial source of helium is natural gas. Helium મેળવવાનું main source છે એ આપણો air છે. air માંથી we can derive xenon and radon are the rarest element of the group. એમાંથી xenon અને radon છે એ બહુ rare element છે. Very less amount occurs of this group. Radon is obtained as a decay product of radium. Radon છે રેડિયમ માંથી બનશે. Radium is radioactive by nature in the earth crust. So when decay means it decomposes, means it emits radiation. When it produces alpha particle, means helium nucleus. So 86 plus 2, 88, 22, 26. So 4 cut 2, 22. Radon occurs like this. Oxygen has been synthetically produced by collision of californium 98 to 49 atomic mass. We are combining. This is nuclear reaction. When californium combines with calcium, so two nucleus combining with each other, an oxygen occurs. Mass 294 and production of 3 neutron. This is man-made artificial element, last element of our periodic table. There are 118 elements in our modern periodic table. Oxygen. Now 7.20. Why are the elements of group number 18 known as noble gases? Group number 18 ના elements ને noble gases શું કામ કહેવાય છે? The element present in group number 18 have their valence shell orbital completely filled. In helium, first orbit માં બેજ fill up થાય એટલે completed. Neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, oxygen has 8 electron in outermost orbit. Means octet is already completed. Therefore, react with a few elements only under certain conditions. Out of this, only xenon and krypton gives compound with fluorine and oxygen. Another elements are not giving any compound. ये पाछो आ बे साथे ज आपे krypton, xenon, fluorine, oxygen સાથે જ combining હોય. They are now known as noble gases. એટલે એને noble gases કહેવામાં આવે છે. Now oxygen has its symbol OG. Atomic number 118. Atomic mass is 294. And electronic configuration after radon 86. 7s2. Then 6d10, 86 plus 2, 88 plus 10, 98 plus 14, 98 plus 14, 112, then 7p6, પહેલા fill up થાય પછી આ. Then after 7p6, એટલે outermost 8 electron થઈ જાય. Only very small amount of oxygen has been produced. Its half-life period is 0.7 millisecond. 0.7 millisecond. 0.7 into 10 raised to minus 3 second માં તો એનું રેડિયેશન એમિશન રેટ હાફ થઈ જાય એટલે રેડિયો એક્ટિવ છે એમાંથી રેડિયો એક્ટિવિટીનો જે રેશિયો છે પર 0.7 મિલીસેકન્ડ રેડિયેશન છે સપોઝ 100 રેઝ છે એમિટ થતો હોય તો આફ્ટર 0.7 મિલીસેકન્ડમાં 50 થઈ જાય પાછા 0.7 સેકન્ડમાં એનાથી હાફ થઈ જાય એટલે રેર એલિમેન્ટ છે લેબમાં પણ ખૂબ જ ઓછું બનાવી શકાય because radioactive nature highly radioactive here except for Organson સિવાયના important atomic and physical property of their elements of group number 18 along with their electronic configuration are given in table 7.12. The trend in some of the atomic, physical, chemical property of the group number 18 discussed below. In the table, you can see first we have to remember atomic number, yes, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Atomic number of helium 2 when we add 8 so 10 plus 8 18 18 plus 18 36 36 plus 18 54 54 plus 32 86 then about Organson once again when we add 32 so 118 last two digit 18 છે કે નહીં એટલે યાદ રાખવાનું કે ગ્રુપ નંબર 18 નો એલિમેન્ટ્સ છે like this. Atomic number we have to remember. Atomic mass no need. Electronic configuration compulsory we have to remember. In helium only 1s2 yes. In neon after helium 2 2s2 2p6 2 plus 2 plus 6 8. Argon 18 number. So neon 10 after 3s2 3p6 10 plus 2 plus 6 18. In krypton 36 after argon 18 4s2 pela fill up થાય 18 plus 2 20 20 then 10 3d10 then 4p6 like this. Now xenon 54 means krypton 36 પછી 5s2 fill up થાય then 4d10 and 5p6 now in xenon 54 radon 86 54 plus 2 56 plus 10 54 plus 2 56 plus 10 66 plus 14 so 54 plus 2 plus 10 plus 14 and 4 and 6 radon 86. Here outermost configuration except helium. Helium outermost હોય બાકીના બધા એલિમેન્ટ્સમાં NS2 NP6 છે. Means octet is completed. Now atomic radius in picometer from top to bottom atomic radius increases by here 1s છે a second third fourth fifth and 6th orbit છે outermost. The radius gradually increases but increasing in initial stage is high then increasing is less because here 3D is filled after inert gas configuration and outermost ની વચ્ચે 3D tank fill up હોય and 4D tank fill up હોય એટલે શું થાય weak screening effect થાય. here screening effect more થાય એટલે આ જે ભરાયેલી કક્ષકો છે orbitals filled far from each other but due to 3D tank 4D tank એટલે contraction થાય size increase થવી જોઈએ એટલી નહીં થાય. Ionization enthalpy in kilojoule per mole highest because we have to remove electron from first orbit. So attraction on first orbit is highest of the nucleus on electron 2372, then decreases 2080, second orbit, now third, fourth, fifth, and now sixth. Ionization enthalpy gradually decreases. Electron gain enthalpy. Yes. Helium is very small. Octet is completed. Forcefully we are adding one electron. So plus 48 kilojoule energy we have to apply. કારણ કે નવી ઓર્બિટ ઓપન કરવી પડે અને હિલિયમમાં 1s માં 2 જ હોય તો 2s માં 1 આવે. ન્યુક્લિયસ થી ક્લોઝ છે, રિપલ્શન મોર છે, બરાબર. ધેન નિયોન એના કરતા હાઈ, પછી હિલિયમ કરતા નિયોનમાં હાઈ, ધેન આર્ગોનમાં લેસ, આર્ગોન અને ક્રિપ્ટોનમાં સેમ, ઝેનોનમાં લેસ અને રેડોનમાં લેસ. કારણ કે પછી સાઇઝ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય એટલે ઇલેક્ટ્રોનને એડ કરવા માટે ઓછી હીટ આપવી પડશે. ડેન્સિટી એટ STP. STP means standard temperature and pressure. 273 Kelvin, 1 bar pressure. So density of helium is 1.8 gram per centimeter cube. એટલે 1 centimeter cube એટલે 1 milli gas હોય તો એનું mass in gram 1.8 10 raised to minus 4. Here 9.04 10 raised to minus 4. 1.8 10 raised to minus 3, 3.7, 5.9 and 9.7 10 raised to minus 3. So this one increases, decreases, here increases and increases. Exception in the argon. In krypton, sorry. 1.8, 3.7, sorry. Gradually density increases. No any exception. Melting point of helium very less. 24.6. Here you can see melting point increases gradually top to bottom by helium, neon, argon. એમાં કોઈ chemical bond તો હોય જ નહીં. Between two atoms there is only van der Waals attraction. So with increasing in size and increasing in number of electron, van der Waals attraction increases, and whenever van der Waals attraction increases, so melting point and boiling point increases. Yes, melting point also, boiling point also increases gradually. Same reason, van der Waals attraction, atmospheric content percent by volume, percentage 5.24 10 raised to minus 4% by volume. The total air નું જે વોલ્યુમ છે in the atmosphere એમાં આટલા percent હોય. Neon gas, argon 1.82 10 raised to minus 2, 0.93 for 1.14 10 raised to minus 4%, 8.7 10 raised to minus 4% radon occurs. This is our ratio. Now we discuss about the physical property in the table. Now you can see electronic configuration. All noble gases have general electronic configuration is NS2 NP6. All the noble gases have a general configuration is NS2 NP6. In S there are two except helium. In helium 1s2 છે, except helium which has only 1s2. Many of the properties of noble gases, including their inactive nature, are ascribed to their closed cell structure. આ બધા inert છે chemical reason. Noble gases છે કારણ કે એનો octet completed હોય છે. their closed cell structure એટલે totally cell orbit completed હોય છે. Ionization enthalpy due to stable electronic configuration. In the s orbital there are 2 electrons which is already filled. In p there are 6 which is already totally filled. Due to stable electronic configuration, these gases exhibit very high ionization enthalpy. Yes, ionization enthalpy is very high due to complete octet. So attraction of the nucleus on outermost orbit is very high. So ionization enthalpy of noble gases are very high. However, it decreases down the group with increase in atomic number. Means when we move helium to neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, with increasing in atomic number, size increases top to bottom. So outermost electron per attraction of the nucleus decreases. So ionization enthalpy decreases top to bottom. Now atomic radius. Atomic radius increase down the group with increasing atomic number. Yes, here also helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, atomic radius increases. Why? Outermost orbit number increases, atomic radius increases, electron gain enthalpy. Since noble gas have stable electronic configuration, they have no tendency to accept electron. Outermost orbit is already completed, so it has no any kind of nature to gain or lose any kind of electrons. So have large positive value. It means that in the helium 1s2, when we enter electron forcefully, so one new orbit we have to open. નવી ઓર્બિટ ફર્સ્ટ તો ભરાયેલી છે, સેકન્ડ ઓર્બિટ ઓપન કરવી પડે ત્યારે હીટ we have to apply. Electron gain enthalpy of group number 18. General electron gain enthalpy negative. Group number 18 માં octet is completed. So in this case, when it gains electron, so we have to apply heat. Now physical properties. All the noble gases are monoatomic. Yes, He2 now like hydrogen, helium બધા neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon are monoatomic. They are colorless, odorless and tasteless. એને કોઈ કલર હોતો નથી, એને કોઈ ટેસ્ટ હોતો નથી. Tasteless, colorless, odorless. They are sparingly soluble in water. Sparingly એટલે very less amount is soluble. They have very low melting and boiling point because the only type of interatomic interaction in this element dispersion force હોય છે. હિલિયમ હિલિયમ વચ્ચે કોઈ રિયલ કેમિકલ બોન્ડ નથી. આના ન્યુક્લિયસના ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ઉપર, આના ન્યુક્લિયસના ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ઉપર only van der Waals attraction હોય. So due to that London force occurs there. Dispersion occurs, very weak dispersion force occurs. Helium has the lowest boiling point of all the elements of group number 18, which is only 4.2 Kelvin of any non-substance. વર્લ્ડના કોઈ પણ સબસ્ટન્સમાં સૌથી least lowest boiling point of helium. It has an unusual property of diffusing the most commonly used laboratory material. હિલિયમની એક પ્રોપર્ટી છે અંડરલાઇન ઇટ, બરાબર, લેબોરેટરીમાં વપરાતા મટીરિયલ્સ લાઈક રબર, ગ્લાસ, પ્લાસ્ટિક એમાંથી આરપાર પસાર થઈ જાય છે. ડિફ્યુઝિંગ પ્રોપર્ટી. So most commonly used laboratory material એમાંથી આરપાર પસાર થઈ જાય છે. noble gases a very low boiling point. Why? 7.21 noble gas being monoatomic have no interatomic forces except its dispersion force. The van der Waals force હોય છે very weak. એમાં પણ કયું dispersion force. This is very weak and therefore they are liquefied at very low temperature. Hence they have low boiling point. Understood? Now we will discuss more about it in our next lecture. Bye.